Assembling your Tomahawk reverse plate compactor is quick and easy. Start by unboxing the unit and removing the packaging and protective cage. Make sure all parts are included before you begin. You'll need an adjustable wrench, a 10mm, 13mm, and 19mm socket. Begin by removing the bolts at the base of the compactor's handles using the 13mm socket and wrench. Flip the handles into the upright position and securely refasten the bolts. To install the wheel kit, use the 17mm socket to remove the bolt and washers that hold the rubber mount at the base of the handle. Align the wheel kit's faceplate with the holes at the base of the handles and fasten it in place using the 10mm bolts and nuts. Then, refasten the rubber mount. Slide the wheel brace over the bracket and secure it with two 10mm bolts and nuts. To release the handles for use, pull the locking pin at the base of the handles. Before starting the engine, check the oil level by removing the oil filler cap and inspecting the dipstick. If this is your first time using the compactor, fill the oil tank to the upper limit with SAE 10W30 4-stroke motor oil. Then reinstall the oil cap securely. Remove the fuel cap and fill the tank with unleaded gasoline, 86 octane or higher, and reinstall the fuel cap tightly. To start the engine, turn the fuel valve lever to the on position. If the engine is cold, set the choke lever to closed. For a warm engine, leave it in the open position. Make sure the red engine switch is set to on and the hydraulic handle is also turned on. Set the throttle to the idle position. Pull the recoil start grip until you feel resistance, then pull briskly. As the engine warms up, gradually open the choke and increase the throttle to begin compacting. When you're ready to start compacting, use the direction control lever to move the compactor. Push the lever forward to move forward or pull it back to move in reverse. Begin at one edge of your project area and move the compactor in a straight line. With each new pass, overlap the area you just compacted by about 1/3 to 1/2 the width of the plate width to eliminate any gaps or unevenness in the compacted surface. When you need to use the wheels, first shut off the engine. Then release the wheels from the brace. Push the compactor forward and slide the wheels underneath the plate to roll away. Your Tomahawk reverse plate compactor is now ready to deliver professional grade results. For more tips and support, subscribe to our channel today.